That was a nice week. This year, the GDG showcase at the Overload Anime and Manga Convention in 420 of 2024. Given that the years have had its ups and downs, Overload was one of the few moments where our crew can geek out and surround themselves with artists, creators of all genres, and enjoy what they love most, which is anime. For Overload, we actually made the PC. It's designed and built to be high-spec but portable, and totally not a laptop because laptops are totally not portable and not easily upgradable. To a degree. The event itself has 3 segments. The community group, which is us, people showcasing games, drawing, the artist alley, where you can see a lot of artists selling a whole bunch of prints, merchandise, and whatnot, and the artist exhibition. This year was unique as we had art from the Artist Alley shown as part of the exhibition, courtesy of the partnership with Pixiv, and not only that, but also had people from Smash, the Australian Anime Manga Convention, come to Overload as part of a collaboration piece. Overall, it was very nice, and a lot of our friends were showcased on it too, and we have got to see a lot of friends both from New Zealand and also overseas just chill and geek out amongst themselves. And of course, any anime con is not complete without its cosplays. We couldn't get footage of the cosplay cafe this year, but our friends from the UA Anime and Manga say it went okay. With humidity. Overall, we enjoyed Overload and hope to showcase more.